pushing the pedal in and out for electronics. Yeah. I think I might need a cushion if I have to drive.
Hello everyone, it's the end of day 4. Well, today's been a good day. There has been some interesting challenges. First of all, we have assembled our workshop, but the plugs didn't match what we had in the workshop, so we had a bit of a power issue, but that's been resolved. And also our roller that we've got just to roll the ground where Bloodhound's going to be moved around, the fan belt went. So as you can imagine, 250 kilometers away from everywhere, we were told they had a fan belt, so somebody went off to get a fan belt, and guess what, it's the wrong size. So it's been a challenging day. A lot of work's been done on the car, as you can see behind me. The wheels are finally going on, and we're preparing for what will be a big day in Bloodhound's life. We're revealing the car for the first time to the world and to South Africa and Northern Cape. And we've also received our final delivery of fuel that will power the EJ200. So all things are go, and we're ready for tomorrow.